As WordPress users ourselves, we've always been a bit curious about WP Engine. Unlike mainstream competitors that offer a range of different VPS, shared hosting, and other plans, WP Engine is a specialist. They do managed WordPress hosting, and that's it. Because of this laser focus, they sometimes feel a bit exclusive and even intimidating. But there is a lot more to web hosting than just the servers themselves. We wanted to see if their platform is actually as good as it seems, so we spent the last few weeks testing WP Engine to learn more about its features, user dashboard, and heavily advertised award-winning support. Let's get one thing out of the way. If you're looking for cheap shared hosting or a self-managed VPS, then you'll have to look elsewhere. WP Engine only hosts WordPress. When we went to their pricing page, we found three main categories: Essential, Core, and Custom. The Core and Custom tiers start at roughly $400 a month and are aimed at enterprise clients who need serious power and white glove onboarding. We focused our attention on the Essential tier, which features a Build Your Plan slider. This slider offers 4 sub-tiers: Startup, Professional, Growth, and Scale, which dictate your storage, bandwidth, and visitor limits. We immediately noticed that WP Engine includes premium advanced features right out of the box. You get real-time threat defense, edge content delivery with a global CDN, daily backups, and one-click staging environments. However, there are a couple notable omissions. WP Engine doesn't offer a free custom domain, only a temporary subdomain, so you'll have to get your custom domain from a separate registrar. They also do not include a native website builder. Given that the base startup plan carries a premium price tag starting around $30 a month, these missing pieces definitely price out the casual beginner. We decided to purchase the startup plan to see if the managed features justify the cost. During checkout, WP Engine gave us a few optional add-ons, like automated plugin updates, managed web application firewalls, and site speed optimizers. While these are appealing, especially the automated plugin updates for security, we skipped them to test the base experience. We appreciated that WP Engine takes security very seriously right from the jump though. Before we could even create our login credentials, we had to activate the account through an email link and verify it with a secure code. Once inside, we answered a brief questionnaire about our site's purpose and our WordPress experience level, selected a data center, and we were redirected to the main dashboard. We opted to build a site from scratch rather than migrating an existing one. If you are a do-it-yourself beginner who loves drag and drop website builders, this is where you might hit a bit of a wall. WP Engine does not hold your hand with a flashy setup wizard. Instead, you're dropped directly into the standard WordPress dashboard. They do offer a couple of helpful tools, namely the Genesis Blocks plugin to extend the default Gutenberg editor, and access to 10 free premium StudioPress themes. These offer a good foundation for styling, but they still require you to build out the layouts yourself. We ultimately installed Elementor, a popular third-party page builder, to quickly design our test site. While the site building process relies heavily on your experience with WordPress, WP Engine's backend is a dream. This is arguably the best part of their platform. The experience is incredibly intuitive, putting all your crucial site details right at your fingertips. You don't have to dig through endless menus to find what you need. From the main dashboard, you can monitor your bandwidth, manage caching, create staging environments, and push manual backups with a single click. It strips away the technical clutter and gives you a streamlined command center that makes managing a WordPress site feel effortless, even if you're not a seasoned developer. Of course, for the premium price tag, you expect good performance, and we were excited to see how WP Engine would perform in our speed tests. We ran our fully loaded test site through GTmetrix, and WP Engine delivered some of the best scores we've seen. Thanks to their EverCache technology, global CDN, and optimized servers, the site loaded blazingly fast. We often run into issues when using large unoptimized images on other hosts, but WP Engine handled our media-heavy pages without breaking a sweat. If speed and uptime are critical to your business, this infrastructure is built to deliver. We also tested their customer support. WP Engine heavily promotes its Stevie Awards for customer service, so our expectations were high. We started with the AI chatbot on their sales page to ask a basic question. To our surprise, within 2 seconds, the AI automatically transferred us to a human representative who was friendly, responsive, and highly knowledgeable. Later, we tested the technical support from within the user portal to ask about restoring a backup. We interacted with the AI support concierge, Willa, and it instantly understood our query and provided the exact steps we needed. When you weigh all of these factors, it's easy to see that WP Engine is built for a specific audience. If you're an absolute beginner building a simple personal blog on a budget, then WP Engine isn't for you. The premium pricing, lack of a free domain, and absence of a beginner-friendly site builder make it a poor fit for novices. However, if you are an agency, a developer, or a growing business that relies on WordPress, WP Engine is a powerhouse. The flawless server performance, enterprise-grade security, and phenomenal user portal take the headache out of site management, making it an investment that absolutely pays off for serious professionals.